Today we'll be installing the booster plug for the Triumph Speedmaster 1200cc. The booster plug is a device that helps with enriching the mixture of the fuel. This should have a positive effect on engine performance and also alleviate a situation that Triumph users might experience, that when we release the throttle and let the engine rev down towards idle, it almost in some situations tends to stall a little bit. This is, as far as I can understand, a result of a very lean fuel mixture, and this fix is quite easy with the booster plug. You locate the place where the OEM sensor is attached to your air filter box, and then it's just a matter of plug and play. I've done so here. The booster plug is sitting here just below the air filter box. I've aligned the wiring along the frame, coming back up here onto the top of the air filter box where I've attached it with a clamp. Quite a simple installation, actually. Took me no more than 10 minutes to put it on, and it is as prescribed in the manual, plug and play. So for reattaching the side cover again, I've noticed that these rubber grommets, they tend to get really dry and they start to harden. So I'll just lubricate them a little bit with this Molykote silicone that is used in the, it is for use in vacuum systems when tightening joints. Really tough stuff. So putting back on the side panel, and I have done the exact same on the right side. There's no need to take off the right side for installing the booster plug, but I did so just to lubricate the rubber grommet as well with some of this silicone. And taking off the side panel, I noticed something from the last service at my dealership. This clamp's almost broken off from the service when they detached the side panel, I suppose. So I've had to glue it. This is what it should look like. This is what it looks like now. It sticks, but again, it's just one of my experiences that a good DIY job is often more careful if you know what you're doing and take your time in getting it right. And it's more careful than at least bringing it to the dealership. So let's listen to the engine sound, see if it comes down from idle in a more soft manner. And there you have it. Before revving the engine, I let it idle for 10-15 minutes until the fan blower kicks in to let the ECU map that the booster plug has been installed. I hope you enjoyed the video.